Get that damn thing off me. She likes the snoozle. She's like, what the flip is on me? Hi. Hi, Lexi. Hi. You waddling. You so full. Yeah. You think this is too much for her? Oh wait, she's got potty. You think?
No.
We got potty on the potty pad right there. Yeah. Just take it off of her. She's in a playful mood. We'll do it when we walk. I don't like her feeling constricted like that. What's the matter, Maddie? Oh, yeah. Look at that boy, Tommy. Look at that boy, Tommy and Waddle. Okay, there's my Greenie Dentabone. Watch out. Say to Daddy. Hi. Hi, Lexi. Hi. Hi, baby. You gonna get my foot? You gonna get my foot? Well, tape job didn't work on the potty pads. Get it. Get it. Oh, Mama's egg rolls are done. Say bye-bye. Yeah. Get him, Lexi. Get him, Lexi. Get him, Lexi. You're already tracking dirt in.